Okay, no, no.
I know here.
Don't touch the poop. You go there on the other side.
Ew.
Okay, okay. Face here. Take a picture.
Like a school.
Take a picture.
Their teacher. What's
What?
school?
Am
Like
I?
a school.
I'm like a teacher.
Yeah, but you're a teacher.
Yeah, I am a teacher in high school, not in the kindergarten. That's why I don't know how to teach children like you. Oh, so what do you want to do then? Just stay here. Don't go there in the
I like
inside.
to do
What?
parrot.
Parrot?
Yeah.
Oh, have you seen a parrot?
Yeah.
Where?
There.
What's that?
What's that? Like a butterfly up high.
Okay.
But why is there poop there?
Because there are children. Hey, don't go there. You're disturbing the people there. Come here. Let's talk here.
So stinky. You're so stinky.
What?
What's poop out there?
That's a poop of chicken.
A chicken?
Yeah.
Hey!
Don't be too noisy.
A chicken poop there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just going to. Why there dinosaur foot? I'm just going to. Then why is there cactus there?
They're so cute in there.
Then why is there cactus there?
Yeah, that's the plant of Tita. She planted it. Do you want to go there too? You
No.
cannot? Why?
But the cactus
It's
there.
not right. Yeah, it's not right. Says the girl.
Hey, hey, why is it going to grow big?
They don't grow big?
The small one.
Yeah, that's so small. It will grow later on.
It's going to grow bigger. Why is there bubble there?
Big
Hey,
big thing.
hey, the tiny one going to grow big. What?
There. The
There.
fruits.
The fruits. The fruits.
Where?
Hey,
So they're getting bigger.
hey, this one going to grow. This tiny one.
Yeah.
The tiny one that I already said that one. This one's going to grow, okay? Yeah, but wait, why is it almost? Wait for the rain to
Get down there,
grow.
EJ.
But why is it so steep?
Sian, don't do that.
And why is it? How can I climb on the top?
Don't go there. Get here. How about you just sit here on the benches?
Yeah, but I love this.
What's that? That's dirty.
This is the sun.
Oh yeah.
I don't like this. This is the sun. Do like that.
Mm-mm. How about you just stay here on this bench? You just stay here on the benches. Here, on that bench, near the machete. Yeah. Go there. You just sit there. Sian. Oh, the girl is very obedient. Good job. Your feet will get dirty and sandy. So sandy. And that's Addie. Addie is so...
Can I get my slipper?
No, you go get.
I can't.
Are you the boss? You said you're not a boss.
But I can't.
Go, just get down.
I don't like to touch the sand.
You don't like to touch the time. EJ, kindly give his...
It's not good to be a boss.
It's not good to be a boss. Are you also a boss lady? Lady boss? No. How about EJ? You are the lady boss? The boss baby? Are you a boss also in your house?
I'm too scared to get there.
They don't, all of them don't like to be the boss.
Yeah, but
How about you just keep quiet here, okay? You just play here, but don't disturb us there. I will go there now.
yeah, but Mama,
Oh.
I need water again. But you said I'm not allowed there still.
Okay, so you stay here. Don't be... What's your grade? What's your name, girl? What's your name?
Elsie.
Kelsey?
Yeah.
Where's your mom?
My mama went inside.
Inside. She's inside. Okay. What grade are you now?
5.
You are 5 years old. And what is your grade? Grade 1 or kinder?
Because my daddy bring me to store.
What?
My daddy bring me to store.
Store?
stool.
Stool
Yeah.
to school?
For me to play with my classmates.
Oh, okay. They brought you stool?
No, I cover with my classmates.
Ay, okay. Sige. And then, what is your grade? Grade
Because-
1 or you are in the
Because
kindergarten?
I eat my spot.
Spock? What's Spock?
I eat my
Snack.
chocolate.
Ay, okay. Chocolate.
I
Snack.
cheat my bread.
Mm-mm. You know how to open your bread?
Yeah.
Or your teacher opens it for you? Even your teacher.
I tell my teacher to open.
Okay. Same as Sian.
Because I not tell mama.
When your mama goes home, and then you have your snack, your teacher opens your food for
Because
you.
my daddy bring my mama home.
Oh, okay. So they leave you in school.
Yeah.
Even Sian too.
And my daddy bring me at store.
Mm-mm. At school. Ayan, stool. Ako ng stool. School. Ganyan. Okay. So what do you do in school? Are you doing fine? Are you doing good?
I have teacher.
Oh, who's your teacher?
My daddy can know.
You don't know the name of your teacher yet?
Yeah.
How about you, Sian? Do you know the...
I know it.
Oh, what's the name?
Teacher Rosalinda.
Oh, very good. Okay. So, you should know also the name of your teacher tomorrow, on Monday, okay? What's your name again? Kylie? Casey? What's your name again?
Yes.
Kelsey. Okay. So, you are from? Where is your...
I stay here.
You stay here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, they sweet grass.
Oh.
Grass.
EJ, do you know the name of your teacher? Who is your teacher?
Tita Marilo.
Marilu. Why tita? Say teacher Marilu.
Teacher Marilo.
Okay. So what did you do in school for the past week? Yesterday, what did you do in school? You don't know. How about you, Kelsey? What did you do in school yesterday?
I go to school because I play with my classmates
And
and
then,
my friends.
yeah.
And I want to I open my stuff and I tell my teacher to open.
Oh, okay. That's good. Did you also color your some figures on
Yeah.
your worksheet?
I cover my assignment.
Oh, okay. That's very good of you.
You cover also.
Are you classmates? I know. Sian.
I have new classmates.
Okay. Who are your class? Do you know the name of your classmates? I know. How about you, Sian? Do you also know the name of your classmates?
Yeah. I forgot again. Because they didn't come to my school.
Okay. You have different schools. You have different school. He also has different school, and Ian also has another school. You are from different schools.
That is not my classmate.
Okay. Yeah. You are not classmates, but you are all 5 years old. Yeah. Those are what they call carpet grass.
So I can walk on it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's so soft.
Don't you know that we have carpet grasses also at home?
Me too.
Yeah. Even in our house, Ian, we have plenty of carpet grasses, right?
Many houses have that. But is there bugs in them?
No.
Okay. Only bugs.
Sometimes there are tacky.
I want to get active on my foot.
Okay. That's why be careful. You should also always wear your slippers, okay?
I always wear my slippers when I go to carpet grass.
Yeah. And you're all busy. Oh, the girl knows how to plant grasses.
Yeah, but what is that? Dead grass.
Yeah. Yeah. What's a...
Dead grass.
Yeah.
Because I want to grow a dead grass. No, I don't.
Where is your school? Where is your school?
It's far away.
It's far away.
And you can go there.
Oh, okay. So your papa send you to school, bring you to school.
My daddy bring me.
Oh, okay.
Why is there a million?
How about you, Sian? Who brings you to school?
Papa, and even Cyrus, but Cyrus only,
But
but Cyrus only loads me once, and Papa followed me
Many
again.
times.
Yeah, many times.
How about you, EJ? Who sends you to school? Who brings you to school? Your mom or your dad? No one? You walk alone? By yourself? To school? Or you ride on your bike?
I'm just riding my bike.
Riding your bike alone? And you can reach your school without your mom? So you also, your mom brings you to school? Yeah.
Your mama brings me to home. Wait, why is this grass shaped like Y?
Yeah.